Confused about whether you should be a data analyst, data scientist, or a machine learning engineer? Trust me, you're not alone. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to break down each role, the skills you need, the tools you'll use, and how much you can earn, so you can pick the best path for you. All right, let's start with what each role actually does. Data analysts are like business detectives. They dig through data to answer questions like, why did sales drop last month? Or which products are crushing it? They stick with tools like Excel, SQL, and dashboard apps to turn numbers into stories that everyone can understand. Data scientists, though, take it to the next level. They don't just explain the past. They try to predict the future. Think building machine learning models, cleaning messy data, running experiments, all that fun stuff. Now, machine learning engineers, they're the builders. They take those models and actually put them to work in apps and websites like your Netflix recommendations or those fraud alerts from your bank. So, what do you need to learn for each? If you want to be a data analyst, focus on SQL, Excel, and dashboard tools like Power BI or Tableau. You'll need to communicate clearly and make killer charts. For data science, Python or R is a must. Get comfy with libraries like Pandas and scikit-learn, plus brush up on your stats and machine learning basics. ML engineers? You'll need deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch and experience deploying models on cloud platforms. Bonus points for strong Python and sometimes even C++ or Java. Now, the big question, how much do these jobs pay? In the US right now, data analysts earn about $70K to $90K. Data scientists land between $100K and $130K. And machine learning engineers, $120K to $150K. Or more, if you're in the right place. Career progression? You can start as an analyst and climb to scientist, or pivot into engineering if you love building things. So, which one fits you best? If you love telling stories with data, go for analyst. If you're into math, code, and puzzles, scientist. And if systems and AI fire you up, ML engineer is your path. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly data science tips, and tell me in the comments, which career are you choosing?